Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to master the perfect roast leg of lamb. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, let's prepare the lamb. Remove any excess fat, then make deep incisions all over the meat. This will allow the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. Next, it's time to make the marinade. In a bowl, combine olive oil, minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together until well combined. Now, with the marinade all over the lamb, making sure to get it into the incisions we made earlier. This will ensure that every bite is packed with flavor. Once the marinade is applied, it's time to let the lamb rest for about 30 minutes. This will allow the flavors to infuse even more into the meat. After the resting period, place the lamb on a roasting rack in a roasting pan. This will allow for even cooking and a crispy exterior. Now, pop the lamb into the preheated oven and roast for about 20 minutes per pound. This may vary depending on the size of your lamb, so make sure to use a meat thermometer to determine the doneness. For medium rare, you're looking for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When the lamb is cooked to your desired doneness, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before carving. This resting time will allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a tender and juicy roast leg of lamb. Finally, it's time to carve and serve. Slice the lamb against the grain and arrange the slices on a platter. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy a delicious meal. Thanks for watching this ultimate guide to mastering the perfect roast leg of lamb. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!